Chronicles chapter 7. Now the sons of Issachar were Tola and Puah, Jashub and Shimron, 4. And the sons of Tola, Uzzi and Rephaiah and Jeriel and Jahmai and Jibsam and Shemuel, heads of their father's house, to wit, of Tola. They were valiant men of might in their generations, whose number was in the days of David 22,600. And the sons of Uzzi, Izrahiah, and the sons of Izrahiah, Michael, Obadiah, and Joel, Ishiah, 5, all of them chief men. And with them by their generations after the house of their fathers were bands of soldiers for war, 36,000 men, for they had many wives and sons. And their brethren among all the families of Issachar were valiant men of might, reckoned in all their genealogies 7,000. And the sons of Benjamin, Bela and Becher, Jediael, 3. And the sons of Bela, Ezbon and Uzzi and Uzziel, and Jerimoth and Iri, 5. Heads of the house of their fathers, mighty men of valor, and were reckoned by their genealogies 22,034. And the sons of Becher, Zemira, and Joash, and Eliezer, and Elioenai, and Omri, and Jerimoth, and Abiah, and Anathoth, and Elameth, all these are the sons of Becher. And the number of them after their genealogies by their generations, heads of the house of their fathers, mighty men of valor, was 20,200. The sons of Jediael, Bilhan, and the sons of Bilhan, Jehush, and Benjamin, and Ehud, and Chenaanah, and Zethan, and Tarshish, and Ahishahar. All these, the sons of Jediael, by the heads of their fathers, mighty men of valor, were 17,200 soldiers, fit to go out for war and battle. Shupim also, and Hupim, the children of Ir, and Hushim, the sons of Aher. The sons of Naphtali, Jaziel, and Guni, and Jazer, and Shalom, the sons of Bilhah. The sons of Manasseh, Ashriel, whom she bare, but his concubine, the Aramitess, bare Machir, the father of Gilead, and Machir took to wife the sister of Hupim and Shupim, whose sister's name was Maachah. And the name of the second was Zelophehad, and Zelophehad had daughters. And Maachah, the wife of Machir, bare a son, and she called his name Peresh. And the name of his brother was Sheresh. And his sons were Ulam and Rakem. And the sons of Ulam, Bedan. These were the sons of Gilead, the son of Machir, the son of Manasseh. And his sister Hamoleketh bare Ishad, and Abiezer, and Melah. And the sons of Shemaiah were Ahian, and Shechem, and Lechi, and Aeneam. And the sons of Ephraim, Shuthelah, and Bered his son, and Tahath his son, Eladah his son, and Tahath his son, and Zabad his son, and Shuthelah his son, and Eber and Elid, whom the men of Gath that were born in that land slew, because they came down to take away their cattle. And Ephraim their father mourned many days, and his brethren came to comfort him. And when he went in to his wife, she conceived and bare a son, and called his name Beriah, because it went evil with his house. And his daughter was Shirah, who built Beth-horon, the nether, and the upper, and Uzzen-shirah. And Rehaph was his son, and Reshaph, and Tela his son, and Tahan his son, Laadin his son, and Ammihud his son, Elishama his son, Non his son, Jeshua his son. And their possessions and habitations were Bethel and the towns thereof, and eastward Naaran, and westward Gezer with the towns thereof, Shechem also and the towns thereof, and Gaza with the towns thereof. And by the borders of the children of Manasseh, Bethshean and her towns, Taanach and her towns, Megiddo and her towns, Dor and her towns. In these dwelt the children of Joseph the son of Israel. The sons of Asher, Imnah, and Ishiah and Ishiah, and Beriah and Shira, their sister. And the sons of Beriah, Heber, Malchiel, who is the father of Bezivith. And Heber begat Japhlet, and Shomer, and Hotham, and Shua, their sister. And the sons of Japhlet, Pesach, and Bimhal, and Ashvath. These are the children of Japhlet. And the sons of Shemer, Ahi, and Roga, and Jehubah, and Aram. And the sons of his brother Helam, Zophah, and Imnah, and Jahesh, and Amal. The sons of Zophah, Shua, and Harnefer, and Shual, and Beri, and Emrah, Bezer, and Had, and Shammah, and Shilsha, and Ithra, and Beerah. And the sons of Jether, Jephunneh, and Pispa, and Arah. And the sons of Ulah, Arah, and Haniel, and Rizia. All these were the children of Asher, heads of their father's house, choice and mighty men of valor, chief of the princes. And the number throughout the genealogies of them that were apt to go to war and to battle was 26,000 men. 1 Chronicles chapter 8. Now Benjamin begat Bela his firstborn, Ashbel the second, and Ahara the third, Nohah the fourth, and Rephaiah the fifth. And the sons of Bela were Adar, and Gera, and Abihud, and Abishua, and Naaman, and Ahoah, and Gera, and Shaphupan, and Huram. All these are the sons of Ehud. These are the heads of the fathers of the inhabitants of Geba, and they removed them from Manahath. And Naaman, and Ahiah, and Gera he removed, and begot Uzzah, and Ahihud. And Sheraim begat children in the country of Moab after he had sent them away. Husham and Beerah were his wives. And he begat Hodesh his wife, Jobab, and Zabiah, and Mesha, and Malcham, and Jehuz, and Shechiah, and Mirmah. These were the sons' heads of the fathers. And of Husham he begat Abitub, and Elpaal. The sons of Elpaal, Eber, and Misham, and Shemed, who built Ono and Lod, with the towns thereof. Beriah also, and Shema, with their heads of the fathers of the inhabitants of Aijalon, who drove away the inhabitants of Gath. And Ahio, Sheshach, and Jerimoth, and Zebediah, and Arad, and Ader, and Michael, and Ispa, and Johah, the sons of Beriah, and Zebediah, and Meshullam, and Hezekiah, and Heber, Ishmerai also, and Jalelah, and Jobab, the sons of Elpaal, and Jacham, and Zichri, and Zabdi, and Elieunai, and Zilthai, and Eliel, and Adaiah, and Bereah, and Shimrath, the sons of Shimhai, and Ishban, and Heber, and Eliel, and Abdon, and Zichri, and Hanan, and Hananiah, and Elam, and Attathijah, and Ephadiah, and Penuel, the sons of Sheshach, and Shemshirai, and Shemariah, and Athaliah, and Jerisiah, and Eliah, and Zichri, the sons of Jeraham. These were heads of the fathers by their genealogies, chief men. These dwelt in Jerusalem. And at Gibeon dwelt the father of Gibeon, whose wife's name was Maachah, and his firstborn son Abdon, and Zur, and Kish, and Baal, and Nadab, and Gedor, and Ahio, and Zechar. And Mikloth begat Shimeah, and these also dwelt with their brethren in Jerusalem over against them. And Ner begat Kish, and Kish begat Saul, and Saul begat Jonathan, and Melchishua, and Aminadab, and Eshbaal. And the sons of Jonathan were Meribaal, and Meribaal begat Micah. And the sons of Micah were Python, and Melech, and Teriah, and Ahaz. And Ahaz begat Jehoiada, and Jehoiada begat Elameth, and Asmaveth, and Zimri begat Moza. And Moza begat Beniah. Rapha was his son, and Eleasah his son, and Azel his son. And Azel had 6 sons, whose names are these: Azrikam, Bacheru, and Ishmael, and Sheriah, and Obadiah, and Hanan. All these were the sons of Azel. And the sons of Eshek, his brother, were Ulam, his firstborn, Jehush the second, and Eliphalet the third. And the sons of Ulam were mighty men of valor, archers, and had many sons, and sons' sons, 150. All these are of the sons of Benjamin.